Hello everyone, my name is Bilal and today we are going to talk about Amar Raja Group. Let's get to know what this company is all about, what is the history of this company, what is the current scenario of this company, and what is the future outlook of this company. Amar Raja Power Systems. It was the first company to be incorporated among the seven companies of the Amar Raja Group. They are the main supplier of power system to the Indian Railways and they have a very huge expertise in the power system generation. They provide solution to the solar energy system, battery energy storage system, coal and gas services, and other energy storage related problems. The key point to take here is since 1984 they are into energy power system, so they have a great expertise in that field. Since 1984, Amar Raja Group has come a long way and have more than seven subsidiaries, out of which the most outshining right now is Amar Raja Batteries, which is also listed on the stock exchange, which is the only company to be listed on the stock exchange. Let's talk about Amar Raja Battery first. They are mainly into two sectors. The first is automotive sector or automotive batteries, and the second is industrial batteries. If we come to the industrial batteries, they are into four main categories. The first is battery for the telecom sector, in which they have a share of 60%, which is very good. If we come to the UPS section, they have a market share of around 35%, which is also very good. In the original equipment batteries of two wheelers, they have a market share of around 15%. And if of two wheelers, they have a market share of around 15%. And if we come to the original equipment batteries of four wheelers, they have a market share of around 35%. If we talk about the revenue from the location wise, 87% of the revenue is generated from India and 13% from exports. We have a tie up with companies like Hyundai, Honda, Mahindra and Mahindra, Nissan. So they provide some batteries to these companies and they fit these batteries into the new vehicle, which is also known as original equipment manufacturing or OEM. So in the OEM category, they have a market share of around 60%. So it means in India, 60% of the car which are produced, they have a battery of Amaron or Amar Raja Group, which is very good if we talk about the expansion. If we come to the aftermarket or once the original car has been delivered, the second battery which we would talk about, they have a market share of around 40%. So that is also very good. Till now, what was happening was lead acid batteries were used in all the vehicles till today. Today, Amar Raja has announced that it will open Median Technology Hub to develop lithium ion cell at Tirupati facility in Andhra Pradesh. This facility is going to be the first facility in India to start the production of lithium ion cells. And the point which we get from here is that Amar Raja Group will be a leader in this sector since it is the first company or the first one to start the production or research on the lithium ion cells. Till today, we don't have any research facility or a production facility in India. We used to import lithium ion cells from China. These lithium ion cells are basically used in electric cars, which will be used in the future. The company has got into the technology agreement with the ISRO since early 2019. ISRO issued a tender of providing the technology to produce lithium ion batteries, in which 141 companies participated, out of which only 10 companies got the agreement. Amar Raja Group has already invested more than 20 crores into the hub and already started the research on lithium ion batteries. The CEO of the Amar Raja battery, Mr. Vijay Anand, said that he feels that the lead acid battery will be here for a few more decades and it will take time for the four-wheeler electric vehicle market to mature. He said that the four-wheeler electric vehicle market will be first dominated by the two-wheelers and three-wheelers because the cost of maintaining or buying a four-wheeler electric car will be much more as compared to two-wheelers and three-wheelers. And in the first stage, the three-wheeler would be the first to get the electric vehicle mobility because it is much viable and such level of penetration in the market would give the huge mass a boost. He said that the electric vehicles market should mature by 2025 to 2030. In those years, we can see that the electric vehicle four wheelers would take a huge surge or a spike. This technology transfer agreement made with the ISRO and these 10 companies is actually a government initiative to boost the electric vehicle mobility plan. If I talk about the 10 companies which got the agreement of this technology transfer, those companies are Amar Raja Group, Bharat Electronics Pune, Carborundum, Universal Kochi, Exicom Telesystem Gurgaon, GOCL Corporation Hyderabad, Jyoti CNC Automation Rajkot, Nalcom Bhubaneswar, Sukhbir Agro Energy Delhi, Tata Chemicals, and Thermax. These 10 companies are going to be a leader in the lithium ion cell since they have a much better access to the technology and in-house production. You should keep a watch on these 10 companies if you want to generate wealth, because electric vehicle is the future of India and these 10 companies are going to be a leader in the section. However, none of the companies have already started the production but Amar Raja. Amar Raja is the first company to already start the production of the lithium ion batteries at its hub. Most of the chemicals which are required to produce lithium ion batteries is already present in India, but few of them needs to be imported. So the government is already in talk with the Latin American companies and Australian companies to import them, which they have in plenty. Recently on 13th Feb, the quarter 3 results of Amar Raja batteries came out, and after which the market, dipped. At that time, the results were not very promising because of the COVID situation. The market was very low for Amar Raja batteries. But after the announcement, which is done today, I think that this company will grow at a very faster pace. The government is trying its very best and pushing and giving all the help which is required to boost electric vehicles or electric mobility. And the Amar Raja Group or Amaron batteries would be a very good support to that initiative. Thank you. If you liked my video, do like and subscribe my channel.